In this ProClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to install the condensate drain to the units XH3500 and 8500. Please observe the safety information in the corresponding installation and operating instructions. Before starting installation work, check the delivery for completeness. The ventilation unit comes with two condensate drain pipes. The condensate connection must always be on the exhaust air side. The connection on the supply air side must be checked on a project-specific basis. When using a cooling element, we recommend connecting the second condensate pipe to the supply air side. Note, we recommend installing the condensate drain pipes before module installation. Set the height of the unit feet to maximum for this purpose. Remove the condensate drain cover and replace the screw. The next step is to attach the condensate drain pipe to the inspection side. A ball siphon is then required, which is available as an accessory. The condensate line is then piped. Please pay attention to the information in the installation and operating instructions. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosair1.com.